all of you, when you have a need, you go to a general store and you have to buy things, isn't it? Life is full of needs. So, every day you need so many things, right from your toothpaste to the commodities that you use for cooking, everything you need. So, what will you do when you have a need to go and speak to a person in a general store? That is what we are going to see now, and this is at a general store. Okay, at a general store. What does general store mean? General store means it has everything under one roof, that is toothpaste, soap, shampoo, coffee powder, sugar. We just say provision shop. Okay. So, let us see now what you would do when you have to go to a general store and buy a few things. Shall we? Okay. Now, we are going, it is you, we will give you a name. Okay. Mrs. Lakshmi. Mrs. Lakshmi. What would you ask the shopkeeper? Excuse me, sir. Do you have any toothpaste with salt? Because nowadays we watch on TV like toothpaste with salt will protect your teeth and all that. So, you go and ask the shopkeeper for a toothpaste with salt, and the shopkeeper says, yes madam. I have Colgate toothpaste. And you say, okay, give me a medium sized one. Okay, give me or give me one of medium size. Give me one of medium size. Okay, you say that and then you ask for, do you have sandalwood soap? And the shopkeeper says, yes madam, do you want Santoor soap or Mysore sandal soap? Both are sandalwood soap only. Santoor soap or Mysore sandal soap? And you, Mrs. Lakshmi, you tell him, I would like to take like 2 cakes of, now you always say 2 cakes of soap, okay, 2 cakes of Mysore sandal soap. I would like 2 cakes of Mysore sandal soap. Then you go on to ask whether they have oil, okay. Do you have refined oil? I want 1 kg of oil. And refined oil, the shopkeeper gets a little confused. So he is asking which oil. Which oil would you like, madam? Sunflower or sunflower refined oil is also there, groundnut refined oil is also there. Sunflower or groundnut. So which oil would you like? And you have come to take sunflower refined oil. So you just tell him, I want sunflower refined oil. I also want 2 kgs of basmati rice. Shopkeeper. Sorry, madam. Sorry, madam, it's out of stock. I shall get you next week. And you ask him to give the bill. Okay. give me the bill. Okay, so whatever the cost is, he will calculate and he will give the bill. Okay, now at the general store, you, Mrs. Lakshmi, you have gone to the shopkeeper and you have asked for a lot of things. Let's see how you go about in this conversation. Mrs. Lakshmi: excuse me, sir, do you have any toothpaste with salt? Shopkeeper: yes, madam, I have Colgate toothpaste. Colgate toothpaste with salt. Okay, so that's what it means. Okay, and you immediately tell him, okay, give me one of medium size. Then you think of the next thing that you wanted to buy. Do you have sandalwood soap? And shopkeeper says, yes, madam. Do you want Santoor soap or Mysore sandal soap? Because both are sandalwood soap only. And Mrs. Lakshmi, that's you, say, I would like 2 cakes of Mysore sandal soap. Do you have refined oil? I want 1 kg of oil. And shopkeeper says, which oil would you like, madam? Sunflower or groundnut? And you, Mrs. Lakshmi, you say, I want sunflower refined oil. I also want 2 kgs of basmati rice. And shopkeeper says, sorry madam, it's out of stock. I shall get you next week. And you say, okay, give me the bill for all that you have purchased so far. You want him to give the bill so that you can pay and take the things home from the general store. I hope you have understood how to make a conversation at a general store. This will be very helpful when you go to some place where you don't know the lingua franca or the language of that particular place. You can always talk in English. Okay.